Assalamualaikum, grade 5. We meet again. How are you today? Hopefully that you all are fine. Okay. And today, before we start the lesson, as usual, we pray first. Pray starts now. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Robbi zidni ilma. Warzuqni fahma. Amin. Bismillah. Semoga pelajarannya bisa diterima dengan baik ya. Oke, let's start. Today we will do the review of Unit 1 and Unit 2, which is the science competition and dinosaurs. Okay, this one you need to make a simple sentence about the material, about the object. Jadi bikin kalimat yang paling sederhana. Contohnya udah ada. It is made of plastic. Yang nomor 1. Sekarang nomor 2. Mana ini? Nah, ini dia. Number 2. We try ya. It is made of wood. Dari kayu ya. How about number 3? It is, boleh juga it's atau it is sama. It's made of paper. Dari kertas. Oke. How about number 4? Jendela terbuat dari it is made of glass. Nah, kalau umbrella dari apa? Oke, the rest you can make it ya. Because this one is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Next. Nah, you need to read first and then match with the picture. Match the description. Mencocokkan, menjodohkan kalimatnya, penjelasannya dengan bendanya. Number 1. This is new. It is my mom's. It looks light. Ini biru, ini baru, dan ini punyanya mama aku. Dan kelihatannya ringan. It looks light. Kita sudah belajar looks dengan look ya. It looks light. Yang mana yang kira-kira yang ringan? Yang selimut, yang boxes, atau yang lagi main, atau handphone? Jadi ini nomor 1. Ya. Number 2. My grandma made this. It was a present. It is cute. It looks soft. Nenek aku bikin ini. Ini merupakan hadiah. It is cute, bagus. Ya, it looks soft. Kelihatannya atau terlihat sangat lembut. Kira-kira yang mana? Yang selimut, yang boxes, atau yang main di backyard? Good. Yang selimut ya. Jadi teman-teman nanti tinggal tulis angka 2. Oke. Number 3 and number 4, I know that you can do it. Because this one is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Ya, it's just piece of cake. Oke, next. Nah, before in the dinosaur chapter, in the dinosaurs unit, you already learned about the comparative and the superlative. Sekarang kita lihat dulu. Ada popular, ada interesting, ada dangerous. Yang number 1, kalau dilihat yang popular, number 1 itu the most popular, paling terkenal. Ya, number 2 nggak begitu terkenal. Number 3 juga lebih-lebih, nggak terkenal. Kalau yang interesting, number 1 katanya nggak interesting. Number 2, paling interesting. Oke, sekarang kita coba isi ya. Titik-titik are the most popular animal. Kita cari yang populer mana? Teng, 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 teng. Yang lihat yang paling tinggi diagramnya. Grafiknya yang paling tinggi, the tallest one. Oh, ternyata yang number 1. number one. Ini apa? Horse. Kalau horse aja itu cuma satu. Karena di sini ada kata-kata are, berarti horse-nya banyak. Makanya teman-teman horses. Ya, hati-hati ya dengan katanya, dengan kata bendanya. Horses are the most popular animal. Students think sharks are the most titik-titik animal. Lihat, sharks, gambar nomor 3, cari yang most, yang mana? Kira-kira di popular, shark-nya, grafiknya paling tinggi nggak? No, 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 no. Interesting, shark-nya, grafiknya paling tinggi nggak? No, no, no. Cuma segini ya, only this H. Yang dangerous, paling tinggi grafiknya. Berarti di sini isinya the most dangerous. Gitu ya. Sharks are titik-titik interesting dan titik-titik. Berarti cari yang interesting. Oh, ini. Ada kata-kata dan, berarti shark-nya ada komparatifnya nih. Berarti kalau pakai dan, ingat kalau pakai dan, kita cuma boleh tambahin IR atau pakai more. Good. Jadi di sini isinya more. Sharks are more interesting than. Lihat di interesting. Shark-nya kira-kira lebih menarik dibanding apa? Dibanding ini, kangaroo, atau dibanding horses? Good. Dibanding horses. Karena kangaroo itu the most interesting. Ya, jadi di sini horses. Salah. Oke. Like this ya. Oke, number 4. Kangaroos are more popular than. Cari yang popular ini. Oke, kangaroos are more popular than. Kangaroos ada di tengah-tengah. Dia lebih populer dibanding apa? Dibanding kuda atau dibanding shark? Lihat grafiknya yang di bawahnya kangaroo. Berarti yang di bawahnya kangaroo adalah shark. Jadi di sini isinya the more popular than sharks. Gitu ya. Oke. Number 5. You do it. Ya, you try to do it by yourself because this one is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Nah, find the best sentence to describe the picture. Lihat dulu gambarnya. Oh, yang ini ada pegang rumah. Yang ini lagi main kereta-keretaan. Yang ini lagi building something. Ini lagi pesawat. Do you like it? I made it. It's made of plastic. It flies really well. Yang mana yang kira-kira yang bisa fly? Yang rumah, yang kereta, yang jembatan, atau yang pesawat? Yang pesawat ya. Jadi di sini isinya nomor 1. Karena deskripsinya nomor 1 itu tentang yang gambar D. Oke. This is for school. It's made of paper. It is very light. Kira-kira yang mana yang terbuat dari kertas dan sangat ringan? Kereta, jembatan, atau rumah-rumahan? Oke, rumah-rumahan ya. Jadi ini number 2. Oke. We made this together. It is made of wood, plastic, and metal. Lihat yang bikinnya bareng-bareng yang mana? Yang B atau yang C? Oke, and then later on, you just write the number here or here. Oke, good. Next, we continue ya. Let's read. This is our model car. We made it in science class. It's made of plastic, paper, wood, metal, and glue. It is not finished. We're going to finish it on Friday. It looks light now. It's going to be heavy later. Jadi mereka lagi bikin bareng-bareng. Ini the story of them. ya. Mereka lagi bikin mobil-mobilan untuk kelas sains terbuat dari plastik, kertas, kayu, dan juga metal sama glue. Belum selesai katanya. It is not finished. We are going to finish it on Friday. Nanti kita selesaikan lagi di hari Jumat. It looks light now. Sekarang sih kayaknya terlihatnya ringan. It's going to be heavy later. Tapi nantinya akan lebih berat. Oke. Oke, next. There are 3 models, 3 more projects. Ada car, airplane, and house. So you need to compose a sentence based on the material here. Kita lihat, kalau model car, berarti di sini diisi aja. This is my model car. Okay, I made it in kira-kira apa? I made it in tadi contohnya ada tuh. I made it in science class atau in apa. Nah, di sini teman-teman bisa bikin I made it in school, boleh. In the library, boleh. In the workshop, boleh. Ya, atau in project class, boleh. In science class, boleh. Kalau tulis, akan tulis misalnya in science class. It is made of, lihat model car-nya terbuat dari apa? Made of wood, ini ada wood-nya. Terus kalau rodanya terbuat dari apa? Plastik. Ya, ada plastiknya. Perlu pakai glue nggak? Perlu pakai glue. Oke. Then, if you feel that this one is enough, so okay, I'm going to finish it on, mau diselesaikannya kapan? Misalnya on Sunday. Boleh. Nah, kalau model car ini, it looks heavy or light. It looks heavy. Oke. Sekarang gimana kalau mau bilang yang rumah? It's easy. Just make it. This is my model house. I made it in kira-kira bikinnya di mana? In lab. Oke, in the laboratorium. Atau jangan lab ya, in the workshop. It is made of, kira-kira kalau ini terbuat dari apa? Dari plastik. Kira-kira dari paper enggak? Atau dari card? Dari kardus? Bisa dari card. You need glue? Yes, you need glue. Right. And after that, I'm going to finish it on Saturday. Misalnya, it looks heavy or light? Light ya, karena kalau heavy nanti airplane-nya nggak bisa terbang. Oke? Number 3, for the house, you can make it, yeah. You can make the sentence, make the story by your own. Okay, next. I forgot. I haven't erased this one. Okay, this one. They are the answers here. Ada famous, interesting, popular, sama dangerous. Everybody likes that song. It is very. Kalau lagu kira-kira very apa? Popular, karena sangat terkenal gitu ya. You mustn't go there by yourself. It is. Kamu nggak bisa tuh pergi ke sana sendirian katanya. Kamu nggak bisa ya pergi ke hutan sendirian. Itu sangat. It is dangerous. Okay. A lot of people know that building. Semua orang tahu itu gedung apa. It is very famous. Sangat terkenal because everybody know that, right? I like reading about the dinosaurs. It is very interesting. Gitu ya. So you need to choose the answers for filling up the question. Okay, next. The next one is just the same. So you need to choose the answer here to fill up the question. You mustn't try to pick up that big box. Kamu nggak seharusnya untuk mengangkat kotak yang besar itu. It is, kalau kotaknya besar, jadi it is heavy. Good. That ball is made of plastic, but it is not soft. Bolanya terbuat dari plastik, tapi nggak empuk, nggak lembut. It is, lawannya adalah hard, keras ya. Don't throw it in the house. The tiger has very titik-titik teeth. Giginya macan itu gimana? Heavy, short, soft, sharp, big, small, hard, long, atau light? Sharp teeth. Good. The monkey can swing with their titik-titik arms. It looks funny. Monyetnya bisa berpindah gitu ya dengan menggunakan tangannya yang bagaimana? With the heavy arms, short arms, soft arms, sharp arms, big, small, hard, long, atau light? Long arms. Good. Next. Nah, this one is the opposite, lawan kata. Ya. Lawan katanya big, small. Big is the opposite of small. Big adalah lawan kata dari small. Gimana kalau di sininya hard? Hard is the opposite of soft. How about the monkey's arm? Tadi tangannya monyetnya gimana? Long is the opposite of short. Okay. You can find the other word ya. Okay, good. Next, we continue. Jadi opposite ingat ya, lawan kata atau berlawanan. Okay, here you have more, made, mass, small, wood, were, glue, hard, long. We try to fill up. Ya, kita coba answer this one. We are having an art competition in our school. Kita sedang ada kompetisi art di sekolah. We titik-titik give our project to the teacher tomorrow. We more, made, mass. Yang mana di antara tiga ini? Tiga dulu ya, biar gampang ya. We more give. Masa kita harus membeli lebih? We made give. Masa kita membuat dan memberi? Jadi we Must. We must give our project to the teacher tomorrow. Last year, I a dinosaur for the competition. Tahun lalu saya more, made, atau small. This one is already taken ya. Last year, I made dinosaurs for the competition. Oke, jadi ini sudah diteken juga, made. My dinosaur had had. Kira-kira nih dinosaurnya had-nya gimana? More, small, wood, were, glue, hard, atau long? Good, small hat. Okay, and this one is already taken also. And then, and a tail. Lihat tailnya. More, wood, were, glue, hard, atau long? Good, a long tail. Okay, and then this made of paper. This apa nih? Lihat, dia lagi bikin apa nih? This, more, wood, were, glue, hard. Jadi, kira-kira yang mana? Kita masih tetap ngomongin dinosaurnya ya. Kan last year I made a dinosaur for the competition. My dinosaur had a small head and a long tail. These made of paper. Semuanya terbuat dari paper. Jadi these were, okay, made of paper. The 4 legs were made of card. Kakinya terbuat dari karton. I used to make the dinosaur too. Kira-kira pakai apa untuk bikin dinosaurnya nih? Nyambung-nyambunginnya. Pakai glue, ya. Oke. So glue is already taken. Okay. Now, next. This year I made a model ship for the competition. This one ya, the model ship. My ship is made of small pieces of, kira-kira bikinnya dari mana? Dari more, wood, atau hard? Dari wood ya, made of small pieces of wood. It was to make the ship. More atau hard? It was hard, susah nih untuk bikin ship-nya gitu ya. Oke, good. Next. This one is easy peasy lemon squeezy ya. You just arrange the letters to answer this one. Number 2 is already answered swan. Number 1. Number 2 is clan. Gampang kan? Oh, number 2 is this one. Kalau hadiah jadinya you continue ya. Number 4, dia lagi senyum jadinya Oke. It's easy ya. You just arrange the the letters. Lettersnya tinggal di susun-susun. Oke. I think it's that one for our review today. Okay. Thank you, grade 5. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy, and always be grateful. See you next week. Bye. Wassalamualaikum.